Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Figma student plan, only ways. Start by confirming you have a valid student email and collect proof such as a student ID or enrollment letter. Next, visit Figma's education page and choose the student plan option, then follow the verification prompts carefully. Upload your documentation clearly and wait for the confirmation email before accessing premium student features. After starting verification, make sure your documents are legible and match the name on your student account to avoid delays. Choose the correct document type and fill any additional fields accurately during upload. If verification is rejected, correct the issue noted in the email and resubmit promptly, since repeated attempts can slow approval but typically succeed once documents match. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides for students. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long studio sessions and long walks between classes. I link that and other deals in the description, so check it out for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once approved, log into Figma and confirm student status under your account settings to unlock premium tools. Try creating a team file, testing version history, and installing plugins to see the difference right away. Remember to note renewal requirements and keep your student documentation available in case revalidation is requested so access remains uninterrupted throughout your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.